Hi everybody! Today I'd like to start with a very interesting type of grinder. What's particularly interesting is that it's based on a buffing machine. Gas springs allow for the belt tension, and you can switch the belt by simply pressing the lever. The sheave is made of a multi-layered plywood, and the skateboard wheels really fall by the way. With this baby right here, you can work both vertically and horizontally. The table has two control modules. The barrel-shaped roller is controlled by this valve right here. I really like the fact that this grinder is a straight multi-purpose tool. With this bad boy, you can set almost any angle you need. Alright, now let's check it out. I think that this thing is super cool. Now, those of you who are accustomed to working with a lathe or a milling machine might be interested in buying this kind of digital ruler. You can easily buy this thing on eBay or Alibaba for less than $10, though you might give it a trim and upgrade it a little bit. Now what's cool is that you can set this thing to 0 right about any height. Now 0.1mm isn't exactly the best accuracy, but in a homey workshop, this thing should suffice. Now I also came across this interesting variation of an F-clamp. This one will allow you to hold pieces that are far from the corner. To me, it seems nice, simple, and darn efficient. Now take a look at this brilliant mopping machine. This one might be useful for those of you who work with metal a lot. Now the drill here is a motor, and the torque is transmitted on a shaft through the chain. You can set the brush at any level. There's a bolt and a guide for that matter. Now, perhaps for convenience, this variation needs a casing of some sort. It also works great with a sheet metal and volumetric parts. Next one is quite unconventional router-based thickness planner. As you can see, it's fixed on a drawer slide. Looks good, works well. And by the way, does anyone know how long this thing will last before the balls will start falling off this thing? And so lastly, here's a disc grinder rack. Steel pipes are put inside the bigger plastic ones. Now it's hard to tell how long this thing will last before the first backlash. Although, it isn't hard to change the plastic pipes. 5 minutes and you're good to go. And that's all for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.